Well? Okay, I've walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Trammps!
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
From existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guardians.
Trammps, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that cake toast?